I think what happened is that happened, the sexual assault lawsuit happened, and you have to remember that like 2021, whenever all these things were happening all at the same time, this was like peak woke, right? It was like this is the point where it was believe all women, every accusation is a conviction, and if you ask questions or ask for evidence, you are basically a rapist. So and you had an entire culture that was created around enabling this, and I think that culture, one of the biggest victims to it was Blizzard.